Let us see how to generate QR code for Smart Pro devices. First, open your browser and paste the link which is shared at you in address bar. So this is your link which you need to paste it. Once you open, you may see this kind of message. You can click on it, or you can also wait for so many seconds to get the file opened. Once the file is opened, you can see this file is under view only mode. So you can see here it is view only mode, where you will not be able to edit any content of this file. To make it as editable one, you need to select file here and click on make a copy. But you can see this make a copy is also not enabled. To activate the make a copy, you need to sign in with your Google ID, that is your Gmail ID. So I will log in with my credentials. So once you log in with your credentials, you will be able to see that now this make a copy file is been enabled. Click on this make a copy option and provide the name of the customer for whom you are generating the QR code. I will name it as training and click on make a copy. So once you do this, a new page will be opened with the editable file. Means you, in this file, you will be able to edit the content as per the customer's data. So this file consists of all inputs to be provided to the device. Here it comes like department, groups, items, tables, UDN and stock. So you are not supposed to change the sequence of these sheets, and as well as you are not supposed to change any of the formats provided in this file. So coming to department here, irrespective of the customer is having department group, either they don't have, you have to maintain one department and one group minimum. So if you want to add more department, you can add one below the other to as per the requirement, and also like you can also add groups. So you can add 100 departments and 100 groups. So coming to items, you can add up to 2000 items, where you can see that this item is been marked as G code, which is mapped to wedge, that is group. Items to be mapped to group, and this group should be mapped to department, which is already provided one department and one group in the file. So coming to item file, you can see that I code is nothing but item code. These things you are already aware of it, but there are some difference compared to previous one. I code is nothing but item code, name of the item. G code is nothing but group code. You need to select it with your drop down menu. If there are multiple options, you will get multiple groups. And next comes unit. Unit is nothing but the unit of measurement which that particular item is been measured. Then comes price 1, price 2, price 3 for your QOT table billing amounts. Then next comes with token print. This is a new feature added in the device, Smart Pro device, where if you need token to be printed for QSR billing as well, you need to maintain one for this. And also in print settings in Smart Pro device, for token print status should be enabled for QSR as well. So once you do this, when you bill veg biryani as an item. Along with the bill, token will be printed for kitchen counters. Then comes with B code. B code is nothing barcode. So barcode can be scanned over here. Then next is CP. CP is nothing but cost price. That is purchase price. We have added one more option called discount in rupees. Then comes a discount in percentage. Later comes with OPF, open price flag. If you want to edit the price of veg biryani while billing, even when there is price been mentioned, so you need to maintain this flag as one to give open price while billing. Next comes with maintain stock. If you want to maintain stock for this item, you need to maintain 1 for this, or else you need to maintain 0 for here. If you want to maintain stock, maintain 1 year, and also you need to enable the stock settings to in device so that it will calculate the stock data. Next comes with VAT flag. VAT flag, as of now, it is not available. Once it is enabled, you can also have VAT calculation for the particular items. So for VAT calculation, you need to maintain 1 with VAT flag, where if you kept it as 1, the VAT percentage will be taken to into consideration, and it will calculate that rate. If not, make it as 0. Then SGST, CGST will be applicable. Accordingly, if IGST is enabled, that particular rate will be calculated. Same way, SGST2, SGST3, VAT2 and VAT3 will be there. Then next comes HSN code. If you need to have HSN code for that particular item, you can have that. And then comes with CES1 and CES2. Here you can add the rate of cess whichever it is applicable. Then next comes with tables. You can add number of tables. You can add up to 100 tables, where particular table number should be mapped to particular price ID. So I am mapping here table 1 to price 1, table 2 to price 2, and table 3 to price 3. Likewise, you can add whatever the table number to be considered which price. Then coming to UDN. UDN, here you can see that U code is UDN code, and name, UDN name, and commission, what commission rate to be given in percentage. Then comes with stock file. Here this stock file will be doing its job automatically by giving you the provided the item code. You can see that name of the item will be taken as it is. So if I give item code 1, name is taken as it is according to the item name provided in item file. So you no need to edit any content of this stock file. You need to only enter the I code. You need to enter only the I code. Then if the purchased quantity is to be changed, you can change this one, and as well as reorder quantity can be changed. Only these you need to edit it. You need not to delete any of the content in B columns. Just provide the code number to get it activated. Then coming to items, once everything is done, so once all the data has been added, you need to generate QR code for this particular data which you have been entered in the file. To do that, you need to click on NGX here, click on export and download. Once you do this, it requires two authorizations which you need to provide the access as OK, and then you need to click on your Gmail ID which you have been already signed in. Once it is done, in some of the device, means some of the PCs, there may be an option called advanced option, because some PCs would be in still lower grades, so it will be asking for advanced feature. After clicking on that advanced feature, there will be an option to go to NGX QR code generator. So by clicking on that one, this page will be arrived. So once you get this page, select all and then click on continue. Once you click continue, a new window will be opened where it will show you the options to which of the files you need to be import. Items means all this department, group and items, considering all the files will be created as item, and tables, UDN, stock. If you want to import all the contents, select all files, or else you can also select individual files whichever you required. So I am selecting all files and then click on export selected. Once you click on this one, in couple of seconds you will be getting a QR code which is generated according to the data provided by your end, which is of customers information. So once you get this QR code here, this QR code can be scanned directly from your XPOS Lite application under config menu by clicking on import and then a small icon which is able to scan this QR code, or else you also can share this QR code by taking a screenshot of this picture and share it to customers. So by this way, the data of items, tables, UDN, stocks can be imported into the device. This is how you generate QR code in NGX Smart Pro device.